Hi everybody, I have a bonus cake recipe today and it's made with honey instead of sugar. It's called a honey applesauce cake and it's straight from the mid-century Victorian era. It's incredibly moist and delicious and it's the most effective aromatherapy you could possibly imagine. So stay tuned. So for this cake you're going to need 1/3 cup of butter, 3/4 cups of honey, 1 cup of warmed applesauce, 1 1/4 cups of flour, 1/2 cup of roasted hazelnuts or other kinds of nuts, chopped, 1 cup raisins chopped, 1/4 teaspoon each of cloves, ginger, and cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda mixed with 1 tablespoon of hot water. Start by creaming the honey and butter together and add the warm applesauce. Blend together the flour and the spices, and then add the chopped hazelnuts and raisins. Mix all that together and then add the baking soda with the water last. Bake in a loaf pan that has been oiled and floured and bake it for 45 minutes at between 325 and 350. After 45 minutes, take the cake out and sprinkle it with some granulated sugar, put it back in the oven and bake for an additional 15 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean when you put it in the center of the cake. Enjoy your cake warm from the oven, or as I did the next day with whipped cream. It was amazing. Again, I thank you so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing. Take a peek at the links below and check out my book, ebooks, and video at Wedding Cakes for You. Thanks so much and have a great day. See you next week.